What is up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel, Layla Black Star, aka DBS. So for today's video, I just want to put on some makeup. I want to use some of the Fenty beauty products that I hauled on my last video. So if you guys want to see me try on these makeups, just keep on watching. Okay, so the first product that I'm going to be using is this Born This Way foundation. I don't have the Fenty foundations because I hear that they oxidize. I don't know. Maybe I don't know if Fenty use. Hopefully I said Fenty the first time because I feel like I said Fenty, so I apologize for that if I did say that. Anyway, so it oxidizes, so I don't know if the new. I think there's a new foundation. I'm not sure if the formula improved, so I'm gonna be putting this right now on my face, and I'm just gonna use a beauty blender to do that. So my face is already moisturized, if you guys are curious to know. I'm hoping the camera is picking up the shade. So I'm currently on vacation. We started our vacation. For those that don't know, I am a teacher. I teach in New York City. We started our vacation on June. Well, the last day of school was June 26th. So we're currently on vacation. I'm hoping I get inspired of filming because, to be honest with you, hopefully you guys won't see my caspas because my hair is dirty and I need to wash it, and if you see it, just don't look at it. Yeah, so it's not difficult to film. Like that's pretty easy. It's just like I teach, I am a mom, so it's a lot, and also like you feel uninspired because I've noticed that, you know, it's not about the subscribers, like the count, because you can have 1 million subscribers and then just get like 5 views. So, you know, I've noticed that my subscriber count has gone up. Thank you for those that are subscribed, but my views, it's not pretty high, and I don't know what to do in terms of like filming. I try to do different things, and some videos get more views than others. I am not discouraged. I'm not discouraged. It's just, you know, I just want to find what exactly people want to see me do, you know, because I am not a makeup beauty guru. I'm far from that, but I like makeup, and I think it's fun putting makeup in front of the camera. But like, who is watching? And this is why I always say, like, if you want to see something specific, just let me know because I am down to do it. So this foundation is pretty good. I like it. When I purchased this foundation, I went to Sephora and they have my color match me because my skin changes all the time, you know, with summer and all that. So I think for this summer, this shade is going to be pretty good because it's a tad dark. For the summer, it's going to be good. I recently purchased an Apple Watch. I like it. I'm hoping I get back to working out, figure out a schedule to working out. I miss running. I used to run many years ago, and that's something that I want to start doing again. Okay, I think this is good. Let me highlight under my eyes. So we're gonna be using one of the matchsticks, Bamboo. This one right here. Don't come for me, please. Like, I am not a beauty guru. I know that Wayne Gross, if you guys watch him, but I did the wrong thing. Like he said in his video, just put concealer on one side and then just drag it basically instead of doing this, because you're gonna waste more makeup products. So he said that, and I've noticed that some of the beauty gurus are doing that, but they're not giving him credit, and that's not cool. I really like this mirror. This is from Fenty, and it's really good. I like it. Like, it shows, it's very clear, if that makes sense. Okay, let me put some more, because why not? So I haven't been outside today. I hear that it's pretty hot. Tomorrow, we have a heat wave, and tomorrow we're expecting for it to be like 99. So I am definitely not going outside. I am not gonna set this just because, for the sake of this video, I'm not gonna set this. Next, let's highlight. I don't know, these sticks remind me of something, but I can't think of what. Okay, right here already, this is like a makeup look. I'm hoping it picks it up, but in person, this looks really dope. Okay, so next step, let's do some contouring. And we're gonna be using the, what is it? The mocha thing. And I'm gonna go a little bit ham on this one. I wanna do it like really dark. Ooh. Blend that out. The papa. Oh my gosh, gas bus. I have to wash my hair. I'm gonna wash my hair, guys. I'm gonna be cutting my hair soon too, so you guys are gonna be seeing that. Okay, I'm looking very summerish. Okay, add a little bit of bronzer. Oh, just a little bit. Ooh, what the heck did I just do? Alright, I'll fix it. Let's contour our nose. Well, my nose, because you guys are just watching me. I really suck at contouring my nose, so I don't know if I did a good job. I know I had to put more up here. Okay, let's put some highlighter now. And I'm gonna use the Trippin' highlight. I'm gonna put it here. Here, the bridge of my nose, up here, up here. I'm gonna be using this highlighter and her other highlighter. I'm gonna be using FENTY highlighter brush. If you hear that, that's my daughter. She just woke up from her nap, and yeah. Hi. Hi, baby. How does that look right now? Just like right now, how does that look? You know what I should do? I should set up my computer to my camera so that way I can just see myself better, because I can't really see myself. Okay, so let's use for highlighter as well. I want to use this orange one. This is from the Mimosa Sunrise from the Kilowatt Foil. And then I also want to do my eyes with these shadows as well. Ooh. You have to be careful, Bebita, okay? And my child is here. No, don't touch, eh? Don't touch. How does that look? Okay, let's do our eyes. And let's go in with the Sangria Sunset, which is this color right here. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna wet let's try it first like this, and then if anything, I'm just gonna wet the brush. Because I think that the brush, oh, you have to be careful. So this is how it looks. Of course, I have to blend this out, but this is how it looks dry. I think it looks pretty okay. I'm pretty sure it will, it jumps more if it's wet, so I want to try it. Okay, so what we're going to do is what we're going to do right now is that I'm gonna apply it dry here, and then I'm gonna wet the brush and then apply, so that way it's even. Okay, so this is dry right now. Now let's wet the brush. So I'm gonna be using the MAC Fix Plus. Definitely has a good pop-up effect after wetting the brush. Let me see if you guys can see that. Okay, so I'm gonna blend this out right now. Okay, so let's add some of the orange. I'm gonna wet the brush. I just want to see how it looks. Okay. So I'm gonna put it back here, the outer corner of my eye. So I didn't like how it applied, at least on this this eye. It wasn't applying good when the brush was wet, like the orange shadow. So I decided to just do the orange also on my lid. I think this looks nice. I'm hoping it looks nice on camera. I keep saying that, but it looks nice like in person. So I'm gonna clean this up in a few. Then I'm gonna go in with the orange. Let me apply a little bit of highlighter on my brow bones. I'm gonna use, where is it? I'm gonna use this one. I should have done that before, I forgot. Okay, let me just brush my eyebrows. I'm not gonna put eyeliner or on the bottom or top. Lashes, I tried them once with my sister. If you guys didn't see that video, make sure you go watch it. It was hilarious. I'm going to be using the bilingual lip gloss. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. So off camera I went to put on some eyeliner. I said I wasn't, but it looks better. I did add mascara too, and also I put some gel on my eyebrows, you know, Anastasia Beverly Hills gel, not regular gel. And I just combed my hair and into a ponytail, and that's my look. That's my look. My child is trying to get up here, and I'm gonna zoom you in. Let me zoom you in. And I probably just add a slow motion thing so you guys can see my final look. Again, I'm not a beauty guru or anything like that. I enjoy makeup and film myself. So here is the final look. So that is all for today's video. If you guys like this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you aren't, and if you are, thank you so much. I appreciate it. If you guys want to see something, you know, in the comments below, I'll make sure to film it, and I'm hoping I get more energy and more enthusiasm to film. So until the next one, I'll see you later. Peace.